Hey there, my friend. Will here over to FXAce.com. I'm back again with our weekly Forex performance summary and analysis. So in this video, we're going to go over the trades we placed this week and also go over the results. So before we actually get into this video, if you're new to the channel and haven't yet subscribed yet, simply hit the subscribe button now. Okay, so this week was a pretty quiet week, around 95 pips banks so far. We have two trades still open, one on the Aussie Kiwi and one on the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, we closed this CAD Swiss franc trade, which banked around 80 pips. And also the free signal, the free entry that I gave last week on the Aussie Swiss franc. Okay, was a trade setup I posted in last week's video. There will be a link somewhere where you can click now and watch that video. Exactly as expected, we got the divergence signal, manual entry, and 80 pips on it. A couple of daily trades this week. Monday 10 pips and yesterday 15 pips. Okay, so let's get into the video. First one we're going to look at is actually just a quick review of the manual entry on the Aussie Swiss franc. Okay, and then we'll work our way down. Okay, so Aussie Swiss franc. Okay, we'll just zoom out. Like I said in last week's video, on the trade setup video, we were at this weekly area here. Okay. If you look at the daily charts, okay, market had dropped pretty hard into there, like I explained last week. This drop was very made this trade look very appealing coming into the area, as well as this divergence signal that happened last Friday, I think. So this divergence signal that happened here, and then Monday when the markets opened, you can see we had this candle here. Okay, markets dropped here on Monday. Okay, my entry was 66.1. You can see it come down to 66.2. Okay, but we did get the manual entry with a divergence signal, exactly what I said would happen. Okay, in last week's video. Okay, I'd say we'll either enter at let the pending order trigger or enter on a first divergence on a 1 hour or 4 hour chart. You can see this happened on the 4 hour chart and the markets took off from there. So that was a nice manual entry trade for us this week. Okay, you can see that it went up from basically close this candle here. Okay, it went up nearly 80 pips at its max. Okay, so that was that signal on the Aussie Swiss franc. Okay, if you want to see a deeper analysis of this here trade, just go to last week's video. Okay. Next trade was the Aussie Kiwi. Okay, I was looking at the entries at 104.100. We're currently 25 pips down on this position, which is all right. I'm leaving it open the rest of the day because I still think this will rally back up. Okay, the reason for this position, we are at this area here on the weekly charts. We zoom out and you can see we've had a bit of support at this area before. Okay, the 105 area, and if we look at the daily charts, okay, the initial last week it did drop down on Monday, triggered our entry, but basically the price action coming into this area was looking nice. Okay, it's dropped down a little further than expected so far, but I do expect this to move up from here. Okay, so we'll see how that ends up today. Okay, our final results will be tallied up then. Sorry. Okay, next position is CAD Swiss franc. Okay, trigger at 71,800. You can see. Let's have a look at the weekly charts here. Let's clear all these objects on this. Dun, dun, dun. Okay. If we just zoom out here on the higher time frames, okay, you can see this area here Okay, if we look all the way back here till 2015, you can see this here area here around the 72 area has acted as a strong support. Okay, we're looking at the interest at 71,800, just to basically drop down and back down into this area this week, which has happened. Okay, and we get the reaction from here. Okay, so a nice position there. Okay, dropping down into this area here. Okay, price falls back down to the support area, and we got a nice bounce off this higher time frame support. Okay, basically the reason for taking this trade is just look at the amount of times it's bounced to this area. Okay, this market is not a trendy market. This market is a range bound market. Okay, you can see that this is the kind of range here, and every time 80% of the time when it comes down to this 72 area, it gets a nice bounce. That's exactly what happened this week. Okay, if we look at the lower time frames, okay, exactly what we were expecting to happen happened, and great trade. We got around 80 pips on that. Next one was Euro Swiss franc. Okay, we're currently 5 pips. This here position is going to have a high probability that this is going to move up from here. Okay, I'm liking it just down at this kind of support area here. Okay, this weekly area, and if we look at the lower time frames, the price action is kind of supporting a bounce in around this area here. Okay, market hasn't really done nothing this week. It dropped down, triggered our entry, and price action has started to move sideways. You can see the nice drop here. It started to accumulate here, so I am expecting this to pop up here. I'm going to leave this one open. Okay, I'll probably leave it open over the weekend if it doesn't pop today, because this is a very, very high probability setup that I think will bank us some pips. Okay, it's just Monday it dropped down a little bit, triggered our entry, and you can see the past few days it just moved sideways. Hasn't been much movement in that. Okay, so that's the setups we took this week. Some nice ones there. If you watched last week's video on the Aussie Swiss franc and used the manual entry, well done. Okay, you can track our account below, obviously. You can see that it was a nice week for us. Okay, and going well. Okay, you can track this account via the link in the description area of the video. Okay, so another fantastic trading week. If you want to access our service, simply click the link below. Any questions, let me know at will@thefxace.com. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic weekend.